One of the most common and costly mistakes students make in exams is writing answers that don't directly respond to the question. This lecture focuses on a powerful but often overlooked habit: pausing to think before you write. You will learn how to carefully unpack the question, identify exactly what it's asking, and mentally plan your response. These steps help you stay focused, reduce irrelevant information, and avoid losing marks for going off track. With practice, this habit will make your writing more precise, more confident, and much more likely to score well under pressure. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn how to pause before answering any written question, understand how to mentally map or bullet your response, practice avoiding common off-topic traps, improve speed and relevance with low-effort planning, why students write the wrong thing. In high-pressure exam settings, students often fixate on familiar keywords and overlook what the question truly demands. For instance, if the prompt says, "Compare the leadership styles of person A and person B," a common mistake is to write a full biography of each individual without actually drawing comparisons. The outcome? A long answer that shows effort but earns minimal marks because it doesn't fulfill the task. Knowing what the question is asking is just as important as how much you write. The pause and map strategy. Instead of rushing in, use this simple three-step process. Underline the keywords in the question, verbs plus subject areas. Rephrase the question in your own words. Mentally map or jot 2 to 3 bullet points before writing. Example, original question. Explain how climate change affects coastal communities. Rephrased. What are the main ways climate change is impacting people who live near the coast? Quick map. Rising sea levels can lead to the displacement of communities. Stronger, more frequent storms may damage homes and infrastructure. A decline in fish populations can hurt local economies that depend on fishing. Format dictates form. The type of question should shape how you answer it. If it's an essay, plan your response in clear paragraphs, each with a distinct point. If it's a short answer, keep it concise and structured, a direct point followed by a brief explanation or example. Always pause and ask yourself, is every part of this answer directly connected to what the question asked? If not, cut it or rephrase. Common traps that lead to off-topic writing. Using memorized responses. You try to force-fit a pre-learned answer into a question that doesn't quite match, leading to irrelevant content. Skipping over task words. Verbs like compare, evaluate, or discuss are overlooked, so your answer misses the required structure. Overloading background. You spend too much time explaining context or definitions, delaying the actual answer and sometimes never getting to it. Always focus on what the question is actually asking, not just what you know. Think like an examiner. Ask yourself, if I were the one marking this, would I see a clear and direct answer within the first few lines? If the answer is no, pause. Go back and do a quick mental map. Key reminder: a few seconds of planning can save you marks, time, and stress. It helps you avoid going off topic and ensures that your response is focused, relevant, and easy to follow. Before you write, think like the person grading you. Give them what they're looking for, clearly and quickly.